Gotcha. Which to me screams that there's an opportunity out there for, people that know how to figure it out and potentially can find markets that, have that demand for that industrial outdoor product, but also, might have less regulations, which kind of brings me to next part of the conversation of you're doing deals in the West, which in general, I mean, the West is a lot, but if you're in the West Coast, California, Oregon, Washington, or some of the Mountain West, like Colorado, where I'm at, uh, those regulations might be more complex. Can you explain a little bit why you operate on the western half of the United States and kind of what it is about those markets that's appealing for this particular asset class?
Yeah, it's more so kind of a home field advantage for us because both myself and my business partner were brokers and worked in SoCal. And then we have a lot of relationships in these markets that are close by. So that's one thing. And then a lot of our competitors and groups that are in our space that are buying these types of properties, a lot of them are based in the East Coast. So um, a little bit less competition out here. We know the market really well, so we kind of have some advantages there with relationships. And then we're chasing markets that just have um, solid fundamentals, populations, supply constrained markets. Think like markets that are surrounded by either mountains on one side, ocean, or like a lake on one side, and they're constrained. And then you've got people that want to move there, and a lot of business going on, a lot of construction. So that's kind of what we're looking at and why we're on the West Coast.
Yeah, that makes sense. And that barrier, provides an opportunity, like Mason said, for anyone who figures it out. So I get it. I get the appeal of people doing projects in San Diego. It's the same sort of thing. Um, okay, let's break down Steel Peak a bit from capital, team, market, and marketing methods.